So you're looking to buy some land and you've just scheduled a site visit. Before you head out, I just want to share a few things that most people overlook when they're walking land for the first time. Things like, where does the sun rise? Where does it set? How is that going to affect things like your daily routine or the energy efficiency of your future home? How does water move across your site during heavy rains? Do you have ponds, or are there good areas for future water features? Which trees are providing natural shade and which ones are blocking your best views? What's the prevailing wind direction and where are the calm pockets? Are there any natural microclimates, spots that stay cooler in the summer or warmer in the winter? How does the topography affect all of this? And building cost. What's the quietest area on the property? And ultimately, what kind of life are you designing for? Asking questions like these will help you visualize your future on that land much better and effectively give you better decision-making capabilities. The right piece of land doesn't just hold your house. It supports how you want to live. That's why we start with you, not just a map. Now, if that seems a bit daunting, you can always reserve a spot with me to personally guide you through this whole process and more as your architect. That way you can move forward feeling confident about your choice. Here's a quick overview of what that guided service looks like. We'll start with a pre-site visit video call. This is where we map out your goals, health priorities, vision, and review aerial maps to shortlist the most promising zones and create a focused checklist for your visit. The second step is your site visit. You'll be the boots on the ground and I'll be tech support. While you're there, if you have cell service, then we can FaceTime so I can direct you on what photos to take and any other observations that might pop up. If service is unavailable, you'll still capture all those photos and videos as directed by the checklist we've prepared and then send that to me afterwards. The last step will be a post-site visit video call where we debrief on everything we've learned, synthesize all the data, and then we'll refine it all the way down to one or two best options so you can proceed with confidence. Pricing details and booking are on the next page whenever you're ready. I hope this helps with your visit, and remember, I'm always here when you're ready to do a deep dive in your future land. I'll see you on the other side.